Sian Healthcare Private Limited. The word Sian is inspired by an Irish name that stands for ancient, the strategic brave warrior who played a major role in the Battle of Clontarf by using innovative strategies in the 11th century and never got defeated by anybody.
सियान हमने 10 साल पहले चालू किया तो आई थिंक 4-5 लोग और पहले साल 1 करोड़ का टर्नओवर किया था। आज ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग 70 करोड़ का पिछले साल किया। इस साल आई थिंक हमारा 80 क्या ऊपर टर्नओवर चला जाएगा। बट मेजरली जो 10 साल 8 साल जो भी काम हुआ डेवलपमेंट में काम हुआ है। काफ़ी हमने चीज़ें डेवलप कर ली जो फ्यूचर के लिए बनाई। फार्मा हमेशा फ्यूचर के लिए होता है, प्रेजेंट के लिए काम करते हैं और जो भी डेवलप होता है बिजनेस वो फ्यूचर में डेवलप होता है, आज का कल फायदा होता है। तो हमने जो आज तक एफर्ट लिया 8 साल में उसका फ्रूट एक्चुअल अगर सही महीनों में देखेंगे तो हमको आगे मिलेगा। इस 8 साल में जो हमने लगभग 300 प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर लिए, एक 1500 प्रोडक्ट के आसपास अप्रूवल ले लिए, 300 रजिस्ट्रेशन हमको लगभग 35 कंट्री में हमने इंटर कर दिया और 10 एक कंट्री में 300 रजिस्ट्रेशन हाथ में आ गए, 700-800 रजिस्ट्रेशन हमारे हाथ में आएंगे। तो ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ क्योंकि हमने काफी इसके लिए एफर्ट लिया।
Sian has skilled team to take all challenges to make Sian one of the best pharmaceutical company in SME sector. We have done good amount of automation and innovation in our manufacturing facility where each and every processes and parameters are getting monitored from our central location which is head office in Pune.
Our vision is to become one of the top global pharmaceutical companies. Our focus is on nutraceutical and healthcare segment, values, integrity, teamwork, customer focus, commitment for quality and innovation.
We at Sian Healthcare always believed and have a philosophy of developing very unique and innovative products and cost-effective products so that we can alleviate the sufferings of human mankind. One of the first kind of formulation what we have developed is a liquid dosage form which has been targeted for autism in children, and this product we have applied for patent as well. We are very enthusiastic of our upcoming products as well, in which we have developed innovative formulations targeting men's infertility, female infertility. We have developed a mouth dissolving antioxidant superfood capsule, and these products we have already same applied for the patent as well. We boast of a strong R&D, and in the upcoming 3 or 5 years we intend to have 25 patents on board, and we are confident enough that Sian Healthcare will be a brand to reckon in pharma industry.
The journey of 1,000 miles for Sian Healthcare began with a single step in the year 2005 by a young and energetic farmer entrepreneur having quality conscious mind with a strong desire to succeed.
Sian is the fastest growing pharmaceutical company in Indian pharma market. The ability of Sian lies into develop the high quality products for our pharma market. The Sian business model is diversified into the different units or modules which have a minimal impact of external factors. These business models are like our own franchisee business unit having the own brands, then government supplies into 2 factors like state government and the central government. Then we have a contract manufacturing, third party manufacturing business unit, as well as we are having export unit. In exports we have a 2 type of a business where we have our own brand registered Dozair Borel and as well as institution business.
Sian manufacturing facility is located in Uttarakhand, Roorkee. Sian is a WHO GMP certified plant, as well as we have few export certifications too. We produce various dosage forms like tablet, capsule, ointment, liquid, sachet, etc. The company is operated by highly qualified and motivated team skilled persons who are committed to uphold the company's quality policy. The company has installed the latest machinery to ensure the best quality standards are adhered to all the levels of the manufacturing process.
In the today's world of competition, Sian is one of the fastest growing company which has proved its merits in pharma business consistently and rapidly. For the current year of 2017 to 2018, Sian has increased its business volume to INR 67 crore, which itself proves the deep root of Sian in the pharma market with a diversified business modules like contract manufacturing, export, franchise model, as well as domestic and international tenders. Today, Sian stands tall as a WHO GMP ISO 9001-2015 certified transnational manufacturing company with the wide range of unique pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and cosmeceutical and food supplement products. It has a fully fledged R&D and regulatory department. With the dream of becoming one of the leading pharmaceutical companies, Sian is expanding its manufacturing facilities at Roorkee, Uttarakhand, and also upcoming with another plant located at Vai, Maharashtra, which is currently under development. Our vision is to become one of the top global company. Our focus is on to develop unique formulations in the healthcare segment and nutraceutical.
Follow the latest testing methods. We practice total quality management and good manufacturing practice as laid down by WHO, thus ensuring that the products are of excellent quality.
Sian has always been committed in providing high quality products that are safe and effective.
Sian Healthcare is growing name in pharma industry. Over the years, we have gained the trust of customers, doctors and healthcare professionals with a quality range of products. Sian has emerged as a reputed name as one of the best pharma company in India.
We are going at a CAGR of 30% for last 7 years, and we are hopeful that we are going to maintain the same pace in years to come. As far as 2017-18 is concerned, our top line was for the period was 67 crore, while the PAT was 4 crore. We have maintained a EBITDA level of 20 to 21% for last 3 to 4 years continuously. For this year, we are targeting a sale of 75 crore plus, and in the first quarter itself, we have crossed the turnover of 19 crore. We are expecting a PAT of 7.5 to 8 crore. After looking into our previous growth and order in hand at present we have now targeted the expansion plan in our Roorkee plant, and we are expanding our capacity at Roorkee, and we are going to double the capacity at Roorkee plant to meet out our export order, to meet out the government supplies and our customers.
Having in hand 53 crores of tender business orders, which we have to supply to the Indian government and other states government. We have 20 crores of international